31. Surah Luqman. This is an early Makki surah, revealed perhaps before the Surah Al-Ankabut. It has 34 verses in 4 sections. In this surah, Tawheed is emphasized and Shirk and its ideas are critically examined. It tells us that those who are following Shirk, they are only blindly following their forefathers. The true wisdom is to believe in Allah. The advices of Luqman, the wise, are also given here to support the same principles. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. Quran is a book of guidance and mercy for all people. Number 2. The advices of Luqman, the wise man. Number 3. Signs of Tawheed in the heaven and earth. Shirk or polytheism has no basis. Number 4. In crisis, people turn to the real God. Let not the things of this world deceive you. All knowledge belongs to Allah.